Have you ever wondered why your steak tastes bland on the inside? The secret isn't just time, it's surface area. Today, we reveal the critical science behind scoring meat to ensure marinades actually penetrate deep into the protein. Scoring, or gashing your meat, creates tiny channels that act like highways for flavors. Instead of sitting on the surface, liquids and seasonings are physically guided deeper into thicker cuts like steaks or pork chops. When preparing a pork shoulder for barbecue, chefs carve the meat into slices about 25 centimeters wide before making those deep cuts. This specific thickness ensures the score marks are visible but do not sever the muscle structure completely. The most effective pattern is a crosshatch design. Wive a figuo plane this pattern. Sharp knife. Make shallow diagonal cuts approximately 1/8 of an inch deep on both sides to maximize the surface area available for absorption. It is crucial to remember that scoring uses minimal cuts strictly on the surface. You are not slicing the meat in half, you are merely creating entry points so the marinade can bypass the tough outer layer of protein. This technique is revolutionary for whole fish as well. Deep scores made all the way down to the bone allow heat to reach the center quickly, preventing the common mistake of an overcooked exterior with an undercooked interior. Ultimately, scoring transforms a dry, tough cut into a flavor-packed meal by ensuring every bite absorbs the seasoning. Without these channels, even the most delicious sauce remains trapped on the very outside of your protein. Now you know the secret to juicy, flavorful meats. What is your go-to marinade for scoring? Share your recipe in the comments and subscribe for more cooking science deep dives.